Hi TalkingDeck users. My name is Aaliyah and I am a full-time teacher at TalkingDeck. I also hold the position of the professional presenter there. I will be the host in the third tutorial of the TalkingDeck series. In the second tutorial, my colleague Barbara has explained the basics of TalkingDeck tags and introduced, so-called, sprite tag. In this tutorial we will talk about two additional tags. They are position and size tag and they allow us to further control the appearance of our characters. Let's start and learn about two other tags you can use in TalkingDeck. In addition to the sprite tag from the previous tutorial, you can also control the screen position and the size of the character using tags. Here are some examples. As you can see, I am now positioned in the right part of the screen, which is the default position of all characters. But, if you add the position tag with the value set to left, my position will change. Let's try this. We will start with the "Hi, my name is John Doe" as your speaker notes text. Add the position tag in the middle of sentence in your speaker notes. Remember to set the position value to left. Now test your slide. You should get something like this. Hi, my name is John Doe. See how my position changed to left as we instructed? Of course, returning to the original position is just as easy. Just add a position tag with value set to right to your speaker notes and it will be applied once the narration reaches it. I will move back now. Great. Now we know how to change the character's sprite and position. I bet you can't wait to learn how to change the size of the character as well. What do you think? Which tag are we going to use for this? I am sure you've guessed it, size tag. By default, the size of the character is set to normal. You can change this easily by adding the size tag. Let's try this as well. Add the size character tag in the middle of our John Doe sentence. Again, remember to set the size value to small. Now test your slide. Here is the result. Hi, my name is John Doe. You have to admit that it can hardly get any easier than this. I will restore my original size by adding the value normal to the size tag. Watch me as I pronounce the sentence on the screen. Before leaving, the caterpillar advises Alice to eat a piece of a mushroom to alter her size. True, there are no mushrooms in TalkingDeck, but character can get bigger and smaller just as easily. Alright. In this tutorial we have learned how to change position and size of TalkingDeck characters. In next tutorial you will learn how to switch between full body and torso only characters. Also, you will learn how to control pauses in the narration. Finally, you will find out what subtitle options are available in TalkingDeck. See you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.